Female suicide perpetrators broke a number of societal taboos. We saw the first young mother of two small children, 18 months and 3-year-old, blowing herself up. We saw the first grandmother blowing herself up. We saw the first European woman from Belgium blowing herself up. They also defied entrenched gender stereotypes about naturally peaceful women, the life givers. These women embarked on their deadly missions by exploding heavy explosive vests and belts, by carrying grenades in their handbags, by driving explosives-laden trucks. They represented a wide range of ideological commitments. They acted on behalf of the secular, nationalist, and Marxist organizations, but they also acted on behalf of the religious organizations. The seeming novelty and shocking nature of their final acts produced an enormous publicity. In some cases, the impact of self-sacrifice turned these women into very important players in their respective theaters of violence. They have changed the political fate of several militant groups. They attracted enormous media attention. They generated intense discussions regarding the role of women in political violence, and they popularized their various causes. And so in this context, it is important to ask why problem-solving scholars persist in turning a blind eye to the rich complexity of their realities. The critical theoretical approach reveals two interrelated problematic features of problem-solving scholarship. First is the commitment to positivist epistemology and the insistence that problem solvers produce objective analysis, which seem to contradict a politically motivated objective of problem-solving literature to rationalize and to legitimize Western, and more specifically US, counterterror policies. Now, second is the tendency of mainstream problem-solving scholars to popularize a stereotypical image of a female suicide bomber, often used in a singular form, as I mentioned before, in order to emphasize the gendered insecurity and male structural violence against women outside the Western world, and to essentialize female suicide bombers' societies in terms of Orientalized patriarchy.